How to download PayPal on iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download PayPal on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, look at the top of your screen where you can see the search bar. Tap on it. Now search for PayPal application. After you search for it, click on the second option where you can see the icon for PayPal. Tap on it. Now click on download button. As soon as you click on download button, PayPal application will start to download. It might vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. So as you guys can see, PayPal application is installing on our device. So as you guys can see, PayPal has been installed on our device. Just simply tap and open. That's it guys, that's how you're going to download PayPal on iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.